Welcome to this comprehensive guide on the best form builder software available today. In this video, we'll explore advanced form creation and data collection tools that can help you streamline your business processes, gather customer feedback, and automate data entry. Whether you're a small business owner, marketer, or developer, form builders offer powerful solutions without requiring any coding knowledge. Let's dive in and discover how these tools can transform the way you collect and manage data. There are several leading form builder platforms in the market today. Typeform specializes in conversational forms and surveys that engage users with an interactive experience. Jotform offers powerful and highly customizable forms with extensive features and integrations. Gravity Forms is ideal if you're using WordPress, as it integrates seamlessly with your website. Formstack provides enterprise-grade capabilities designed for larger organizations with complex requirements. Each of these platforms has unique strengths and can be selected based on your specific needs and business size. When choosing a form builder, there are several essential features you should consider. A drag-and-drop builder provides an intuitive interface that makes form creation easy and fast, even for non-technical users. Integration capabilities allow you to connect your forms with other tools like customer relationship management systems, email platforms, and data storage services. Built-in analytics help you track form performance, understand user behavior, and measure response rates. Security features are critical, including SSL encryption and compliance with data protection regulations to keep your users' information safe and protected. Let's compare some key features across popular platforms. Both Typeform and Jotform offer drag-and-drop builders, making form creation accessible to everyone. Both platforms come with extensive template libraries to help you get started quickly. They both support conditional logic, which allows you to show or hide form fields based on user responses, creating personalized experiences. Additionally, both offer free plans, so you can test and explore their capabilities without any financial commitment before upgrading to premium features. Form builders typically offer flexible pricing options to suit different budgets. Free plans are available with basic functionality, allowing you to create simple forms with a limited number of responses. This is perfect for getting started and learning the platform. Premium plans range from $25 to $99 per month and unlock advanced features, unlimited responses, and priority customer support. Enterprise plans offer custom pricing tailored to large organizations needing specialized features, dedicated support teams, and single sign-on capabilities. Some platforms also offer pay-per-response pricing, allowing you to scale costs based on actual usage without fixed commitments. Form builders integrate with many popular cloud services to extend their functionality. Cloud services like Google Sheets and Zapier allow you to automatically send form responses to spreadsheets and trigger automated workflows. Email and customer relationship management platforms such as Mailchimp, HubSpot, and Salesforce enable seamless lead capture and nurturing. Communication tools like Twilio, Telegram, and Discord let you notify team members instantly when new responses arrive. Payment integrations with Stripe, PayPal, and Square enable you to collect payments directly through forms, making monetization straightforward and secure. Form builders serve many practical business purposes. Surveys allow you to collect valuable customer feedback and insights about their satisfaction and preferences. Registration forms streamline event and course signups, reducing manual data entry. Job application forms help companies hire talent efficiently by organizing applications in a centralized system. Contact forms generate leads and support customer inquiries directly from your website. Payment forms enable businesses to collect donations, process orders, and accept subscription payments securely. Quiz forms engage users while assessing their knowledge or preferences, making them useful for education and lead qualification. Form builders offer significant advantages. No coding is required, making them accessible to anyone regardless of technical skill. Easy customization allows you to brand forms to match your business identity. Built-in analytics provide insights into user behavior and form performance. Quick deployment means you can launch forms in minutes rather than weeks. However, there are some limitations to consider. There are recurring subscription costs associated with advanced features. Customization depth is limited compared to custom-coded solutions. Vendor lock-in means migrating away from a platform can be challenging. Application programming interface access is often restricted, limiting integration possibilities. Understanding these trade-offs helps you make an informed decision. Based on different needs, here are our recommendations. Typeform is best for beginners who want an intuitive platform with beautiful templates and conversational flows that delight users. Jotform is ideal for those seeking advanced customization, extensive integrations, and flexible pricing options that grow with your business. Formstack is the best choice for enterprises requiring enterprise-grade security, data compliance, and dedicated support teams. Choose the platform that aligns with your specific requirements, budget, and technical expertise. Start with the free plan to test the platform before committing to a paid subscription. Remember that the best form builder is the one that solves your particular business challenges most effectively.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.